Today I'm going to show you how to add a rib edge to your stitches. This technique is easy to learn but will have a great impact on the final look of your project. We will explain this technique by means of half double crochet stitches, a half double decrease, and a double treble crochet stitch. But you can use this technique with many other types of stitches. We start with a rib half double crochet. This is the top part of our stitch, the V, which consists of the front and back loops. To create a rib, we select the back loop as well as the loop behind it, the loop on the back side. This will result in additional stability. Start with yarn over, pull the yarn through the next stitch, the back loop and the loop on the back side, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Here you created a rib edge on the side facing you. Once again, here's the usual V, but we will use these 2 stitches instead, the back loop and the loop on the back side. Let's try together. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the next stitch. Remember the special loops. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops on the needle, and again we have another rib or edge. Of course, it's also possible to crochet a rib when decreasing or increasing. Here's an example of a decrease, or for instance 2 half double crochets together with rib. As you can see, the rib can accentuate even basic stitches and turn your project into an eye catcher. Now it's your turn. So yarn over, pull the thread through the next stitch, and remember to use the correct loops. Pull the thread through the next stitch, again the back loop and the one on the back side, and pull through all 4 loops. I have one more example for you, a double treble crochet stitch with a rib. Start with 3 times yarn over, 1, 2, 3, and then we pull the hook through the next stitch. Remember the back loop and the one on the back side. We now have 5 loops on our hook. Another yarn over, we pull the hook through 2 of the 5 loops. We're going to do this again. Yarn over, pull the hook through 2 more loops, and one more time, yarn over and pull the hook through the remaining 3 loops. Now we created a rib double treble crochet stitch. As you can see, this method is very easy and can help you create beautiful designs. For more exciting videos, tutorials, and a lot of fun, remember to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys soon. Happy crocheting!